Do you know, if there is one thing that I've learned from reading over 10,000 people throughout my tarot career, it is this. The quality of your question is everything. It's true because asking the right questions can make all the difference between a frustrating and confusing reading and life changing guidance. Because when you ask unclear questions, you get unclear answers. But my friend, when you ask the tarot strong, specific questions, you get strong, specific answers in return. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how to create powerful questions. So questions that will really get to the heart of your issue and deliver the answers that you need. And I'm going to share my top 10 tarot questions with you so that you can use these in your readings for really powerful insights. So let's get started. Now, top American motivational speaker Tony Robbins once said, questions are the answer because the quality of your life is a direct reflection of the questions you are asking yourself. And he couldn't have said it any better. And it's the same for tarot. The better your questions, the better your answers. Yet, how many people just sit in front of their tarot deck and ask the first thing that comes into their heads? Come on, we've all done it, right? And often it's going to be a yes, no, maybe type of question, like, will I get a promotion soon? Or should I call my ex? But what happens when you do this type of reading? Well, you end up feeling completely deflated when the cards don't come out in your favor. And worse, it completely disempowers you because you have no way of realizing your dreams and goals. It's like just a straight up answer. Here's the answer, just suck it up. So let's make a promise together, okay? Let's ditch those limiting close-ended questions now. And instead, let's open ourselves up to the most powerful questions that you can ask your tarot cards, okay? So what makes a powerful question? Well, I like to see it as having three qualities. So first, it's open-ended. Now, open-ended questions typically start with how, what, and why, and they really invite a whole realm of possibility and insight. Now, closed-ended questions, on the other hand, typically start with words like when, is, will, should, and they end up leading to disempowering yes or no answers. Now, second, a powerful question is clear and specific. So it's focused on what you really want to know and also what you need to know. And it's aligned with your highest good. And of course, last but not least, it's empowering. It's focused on what you can do to create the future that you want. So if you do these three things, you'll be well on your way to crafting powerful questions for your tarot readings. But let me make it that much easier for you, okay? Because I'm about to share with you my top 10 tarot questions and explain why each one of these is a really powerful question. So that way you can take these questions, you can put them into your tarot readings, and you'll be accessing that beautiful flow of intuitive insight in no time. So the first one is, what is coming into my conscious awareness about X? And then you can add in your situation. So maybe you might ask, what's coming into my conscious awareness about my finances or about my relationship? Now, this is a really powerful question because it's asking the tarot to reveal hidden aspects of your situation and to bring to light things that maybe you haven't considered. So insights like this can help you get a clearer understanding of what's at the root of the situation and what it might take to resolve it. So next question is, what might I experience if? And then you add in a possible scenario, like maybe what might I experience if I accept this invitation or if I call Jane? Now, when you're asking this type of question, you're not actually looking at a set in stone future, but instead you're exploring different potential outcomes and their consequences. And the reason this is so powerful is because the insights that you get from this can really help you take a more informed approach and more responsible decisions later. So can you see that? Beautiful. Now, to the next question. What does my soul need from me right now? Oh my goodness, I love this question. It is such a beautiful one for really letting you connect with your inner wisdom. And it's powerful because it really delves right into your inner needs and your desires and helps you to uncover what's essential for your emotional, spiritual, and mental well-being. So on to number 4, and that is, how can I live in alignment with my highest good? Oh, Chills, right? So this is another really great question, and it's powerful because you're inviting the tarot to give you some insights into some of the most important questions you can ask. So things like how to align your actions, your thoughts, your intentions with your core values and your higher purpose. And once you discover that, you are definitely well on your way to leading a more fulfilling and meaningful life. All right, question number 5 is, what new opportunities are emerging? Now, by asking about emerging opportunities, you are asking the tarot to show you potential avenues for growth, for positive change. And it's so powerful because it encourages you to be open to new experiences and pathways that maybe you haven't considered before. And they might be presenting themselves to you right now. And you're getting to bring them into your conscious awareness so that you can start to take action on those opportunities. All right, so question number 6 is another one about our soul, and it is, what soul lesson am I discovering right now? Now, the power of this question is that it uses the tarot to help you understand the deeper lessons and the themes unfolding in your life. It's the kind of question that really encourages self-reflection and self-awareness. So as you gain more insight into your current challenges, but also your opportunities for growth. All right, the next question is another one of my favorites, and it is, what are my blind spots? That's right, we've all got them, right? And it's kind of cool to get your tarot cards to give you some insights into aspects of yourself or your situation that you might be overlooking or unaware of. And then uncovering these blind spots is actually really key to your personal development because it helps you work towards a more holistic understanding of yourself and your circumstances. All right, question number 8. How can I create more something in my life right now? So you can obviously add in the desired feeling like, how can I create more love in my life right now? Or how can I create more peace in my life right now? Now, this question is powerful because it focuses on your emotional well-being and your self-empowerment. And the tarot, together with your inner wisdom, can really help you reach the emotional state that you want by offering a shift in your perspective and suggesting practical steps to reach it. And of course, all of this creates a more positive and balanced life experience. All right, question number 9. This one is for all of those beautiful manifestors out there, and it is this: what actions do I need to take to manifest my goals? Now, I love this question because it focuses on asking the tarot for practical, actionable steps to help you transform your aspirations into reality. And then you can take the necessary actions and make those necessary changes that will help you get closer to achieving your goals. All right, we are now on to the final question of our 10 most powerful questions. And this one is straight to the point. What matters most in my life right now? And this really is where the tarot really shines because its wisdom helps you gain clarity on the values, the relationships, the pursuits that hold the most significance at this point in your life. And you're going to find that this really helps you to make choices that are aligned with what truly matters to you. So, my friend, there you are. Those are the 10 most empowering questions that are designed to give you deep, meaningful answers. So go ahead and choose a question that most resonates with you and do a reading on it right now. Pull a card. And I guarantee you that you are going to be amazed at the insights and the advice that you get when you ask these questions. Now, if you want to learn more about how to read tarot in a more modern, approachable way, there is so much more for you to explore here at Biddy Tarot because we've helped millions of people around the world to develop their tarot skills and read the cards with confidence. And of course, we would love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Thank you so much and bye for now. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.